In the shadow of the pyramids rise, golden sun paints the skies, whispers in the desert breeze, stories of the pharaoh's deeds. Nile flows with ancient grace, through time we